Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will solve some problems on straight lines. So let us start first with the last question. So that the following points are the vertices of a square. The vertices of the square are A, B, C and D. Vertices are 8, 6, 2, 6, 2. B is 2, 1 and C is 1, 5 and D is 5, 6. Now join the diagonals. Now using distance formula we have using distance formula we have AB equal to under root x2 in 2 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 4 square plus minus 1 square is equal to 16 plus 1 equal to square root of 17. Yes, we get AB equal to root 17. On just other sides, BC equal to one minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square is equal to under root minus 1 square plus 4 square is equal to root 17. So BC is here root 17. Now just find the other two sides. CD is equal to five minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square is equal to 4 square plus 1 square under root 17. So CD is also root 17. Now last side DA. DA is equal to under root 6 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square is equal to 1 square plus minus 4 square is equal to 1 plus 16 equal to under root 17. So side DA is also under root 17. Now let us find the two diagonals. Diagonal AC is equal to 1 minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 square plus 3 square is equal to 25 plus 9 24 square, and BD, diagonal BD is equal to root 2 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, 2 minus 3 square plus 5 square, 9 plus 25 root 34. Thus we see that all the sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So we have diagonal AC equal to BD is equal to root 34. So here we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Hence ABCD is a square. Now let us solve the next problem. problem is if the point A, 4, 3 and B lie on a circle with the center whose coordinates are 2 and 3, and find the value of x. There is a circle with center O. With the center whose coordinates are 2, 3. And there are points A whose coordinates are 4, 3, and there another point B whose coordinates are x and 5. We join OA and OB. Now, since A and B are on the circle and O is the center, so OA and OB are radii of the circle, same circle. Therefore, here we have OA equal to OB, radii of the same circle. This implies that OA square will be equal to OB square. Now, using distance formula, we have OA square equal to minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square equal to OB is 4 minus 2 whole square. Here OB is x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. This implies that 2 square plus 0 equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4. This implies that x square minus 4x plus 4. Let's cancel. This is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 2. So here value of x will be 2. Now let us solve the next problem. find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from point 25 and minus 2, 9. These are the coordinates of the 2 points. Let the points are A25 and B minus 2, 9. Now let the coordinates of the point on x-axis equidistant from A and B since point is on x-axis, so y will be 0 and value of x be x. So let this be the point on, so this is C, with the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. So here if you draw the coordinate axis, x dash OX and y dash. The points are 2, 5. Suppose it is here is 2 and 5. And next minus 2 and 9. Suppose this point is minus 2 and 9. And these 2 points are equidistant from, suppose here somewhere, suppose it is x and 0. And this, so this point is C. AC is equal to BC. This implies that AC square equal to BC square. AC will be x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square equal to BC. X minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. that x minus 2 whole square plus 25 equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 81. This implies that x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square equal to 81 minus 25 is 56. Like that x square minus 4x plus 4 minus x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 56. This implies that minus 8x equal to 56. This implies that x will be equal to minus 7. Therefore, according to the point on x-axis, which is equidistant from A and B, are point on x-axis equidistant from A and B is C, which coordinates are minus 7 and 0. Now let us solve the last problem. Here A, B and C are 3 points such that AB is equal to BC. Then find the value of this K. So here A is equal to, coordinates of A are 6 and minus 1. The coordinates of B 1 and 3. So this is AB, and coordinates of B are B and C. 1, 3 equals K and 8. Now using distance formula we have AB is equal to one minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 1 is plus 1 whole square is equal to 5 square plus 4 square equal to 25 plus 16. Square root of 41 and BC is equal to K minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 3 whole square is equal to root K minus 1 whole square plus 5 square plus 25. Now here it is given that AB is equal to BC. This implies that AB square is equal to BC square. This implies that here AB is 41 whole square equal to K minus 1 whole square plus 25 whole square. This implies that 41 will be equal to K minus 1 whole square plus 25. That K minus 1 whole square plus 25 equal to 41. That K minus 1 whole square equal to 41 minus 25, which is equal to 16, which is equal to 4 square. This implies that K minus 1 equal to 4. Implies that K is equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So value of K will be 5. Therefore, equal to 5. If you expand it, K minus 1 whole square is equal to 16 k square minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 16. This implies that k square minus 2k minus 15 is equal to 0. This implies that k minus 5k plus 3k minus 15 is equal to 0. K minus 5 plus 3k minus 5 equal to 0. This implies that k plus 3 into k minus 5 equal to 0. This implies that k is equal to minus 3 or k is equal to 5. So there will be two values of k, because this is a quadratic equation. So it will be plus minus 4. So it will be either k equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5, or minus 3. If k minus 1 equal to plus 4, this implies that k will be equal to 5. Now if k minus 1 equal to minus 4, this implies that k will be equal to minus 3. So there will be two values of x, 5 or minus 3. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.